welcome back to Reviews with Whitney. We got a package, so let's go ahead and open it. Temu, best friend in the entire world. It is Christmas and Temu is coming through. Let's see what we got. So this, I actually know what it is, but we're gonna review it for the simple fact of, let's see if it was worth buying it off Temu. I was looking for this on Amazon and the prices on Amazon were wild to me. And so when I compared the prices to Temu, it was just way cheaper. So I love baking and I bake a lot of cookies. And when I bake a lot of cookies, I don't have racks to put my cookies on. So we got a cookie rack. This is a 3 stackable cooking rack, 13-inch cooling rack. So it is a 13 by 9 in size, easy to clean, non-stick. It is dishwasher safe. So let's see how it looks. Is it too small? Because that is one of the biggest things that people talk about with Temu is like, oh, the products are so small or it's not good quality. You should have got it off Amazon. But Amazon had these for 30 to 40 bucks. Some of them were like 20 bucks. I got this for less than 10. And it was just wild. I love Amazon. Don't get me wrong. Amazon is amazing. I do have my own storefront. But I like to ball on a budget. And that's what your girl's doing. So first, this is good steel. It's strong. All right. So let's get the trash out the way. So that's actually a pretty good size. You can fit a decent amount depending on what size cookies you make. I do like doing the bigger cake cookies, so I could possibly fit about 6 of them on here. Now, I just want to know how they stack, though, on each other. I feel like there's a certain way that they stack, but I'm not too sure. I have to see how they connect. There should be a way that these connect to each other where they sit in here. That's actually not that bad. Look at that. So they are stacked. There is space in between for the cookies. You could fit, depending on your bread loaf size, you could fit 2 bread loaves, 2 decently good sized bread loaves on here. That's really nice. I like that. And for under 10 bucks, I could fit my cookies on here because you only need it to do the cooling. You don't really need it for anything as far as just leaving it on here. It's just for the cooling of the product. So I think that that is a really good deal. I'm actually really glad that I went with Temu over Amazon because this is definitely going to do what I needed to do. It was affordable and I am super excited. Temu for the win. Temu, go ahead and hit me up for sponsorships. We're going to do this together because I am in love. I actually have a few more Temu packages coming in before the holidays. I'm super excited. So go ahead and come back, follow, subscribe, and let's do some more reviews together. Bye.